Today we are repairing a vehicle with braking failure and a brake pedal that is extremely hard to press. The vehicle is currently running. As you can see, the dashboard shows a vacuum pump fault and a check ABS warning. Now we are using our reliable tool, the THINKCAR 394, to perform diagnostics. We are now reading fault codes and viewing the diagnostic report. The vehicle control model reports brake booster vacuum too low. Based on the fault code, we will now test the wiring of the vacuum booster pump to check if the voltage is normal. This is the vacuum booster pump. I will unplug its connector first and take a measurement. This vacuum booster pump has 2 wires. We measure the voltage directly with a multimeter. As you can see, the voltage is 14.24 volts. Since the vehicle is powered on, this means the wiring is in good condition. From the multimeter test, we confirm the circuit is normal. Now we reconnect the plug, then remove the vacuum hose. We then have someone press the brake to see if the vacuum pump operates and if air is being drawn, to determine whether the pump is faulty. Now we have removed the hose. As you can see, press the brake, release, press again. You can see the vacuum pump is not drawing in any air. There is no suction at all. Therefore, we determine the vacuum pump is defective. We will now replace it with a new vacuum pump. Let's start removing the old pump. This vacuum pump is secured with one 10mm bolt on this side, another 10mm bolt on this side, a vacuum hose here, and an electrical connector for the vacuum pump. We will begin disassembly. First, unplug the electrical connector. Remove the mounting bolts of the vacuum booster pump. Take off the vacuum boost. This is the vacuum booster pump. It activates when the brake pedal is pressed. 2 vacuum pumps. We will now install the new vacuum pump. First, thread on the bolts. Then tighten them with a tool. Plug in the electrical connector. Now you can hear it running. Listen to the sound. Press the brake. As you can see, when pressing the brake, there is suction. There is proper vacuum suction, which means the new vacuum pump is working correctly. We will now reconnect the hose. Now hold the brake and start the vehicle. The vehicle has started. Earlier, we had a vacuum pump fault stored in the VCU3. We will now go back into the system to read fault codes again. As you can see, the vacuum booster pump fault code is no longer present. Only a traction control system malfunction remains. Now the brake pedal is no longer stiff and hard to press.